Good day viewers, my name is Audrey Poulton. Welcome to lesson 5 for grade 10 and 11 physics. The topic of today is moment of forces. Let's have a look at the lesson objectives. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to describe the moment of a force, describe the difference between moment and work, identify load, effort and fulcrum in everyday examples. The turning effect of a force about a pivot is known as its moment. We use forces to turn objects. Examples of apparatus that can show a turning effect of a force about a pivot are crowbar, wheelbarrow, plier, scissor, tweezer, and a tong. The moment of a force is the product of the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance from the line of action of the force to the pivot or the fulcrum. In easier terms, the moment is the force which is applied perpendicular at 90 degrees to the action multiplied by the distance at which it works. The formula to calculate moment is equal to force times perpendicular distance. Moment is equal to F times D. The differences between moment and work are: moment is a vector while work is a scalar. The distance involved in a moment is perpendicular to the force, while the distance involved in work is in the same direction as the applied force. Let's now discuss what a lever is. A lever consists of a fulcrum, which is the pivot or the turning point, an effort, which is the force applied on the load, a load, which is the item or object being moved or lifted. A simple lever could be a solid beam laid across a fulcrum as shown on the screen. As effort is applied to rotate one end about the fulcrum, the opposite end is also rotated about the fulcrum in the same direction. This has the effect of rotating or lifting the load. Some everyday examples of levers, such as the crowbar, wheelbarrow, and spade, are shown on the screen. Let's summarize what we have learned today. The turning effect of a force about a pivot is known as its moment. The moment of a force is the product of the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance from the line of action of the force to the pivot or the fulcrum. Moment is a vector, while work is a scalar. The distance involved in a moment is perpendicular to the force, while the distance involved in work is in the same direction as the applied force. A lever consists of a fulcrum, an effort, and a load. We've come to the end of the lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.